Feature: Hyundai Iridium, the art of steel. Hyundai unveils its FCEV Iridium concept, showcasing the brand's new design language and its desire to be at the forefront of a hydrogen-powered future. If there's one identifying trait of Hyundai's EVs, it's their futuristic look. At the time of writing, the marque is teasing the Ioniq 9, which looks even more sleek and refined than previous iterations. However, the company claimed that its new hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle FCEV concept, called Iridium and unveiled at its clearly committed event in Boyeon, South Korea last month, is the real future of transportation. Design and performance. Iridium's design integrates Hyundai's HTWO branding with a distinct, plus-inspired graphic element used in the lighting signature that blends into the bumper. The overall aesthetic aims for a rugged yet sophisticated SUV-like appearance, with bold lines, solid volumes, and a refined elegance. Our challenge began from the manufacturing stage, where we pushed the formability of steel to the extreme to create a form of art, said Sang-Yup Lee, Executive Vice President and Head of Hyundai and Genesis Global Design. With Iridium, we've crafted a more SUV-like design that is both solid and safe, reflecting our dedication to our customers through customer-centric design. According to Hyundai, the vehicle's development focused on three key areas: driving range and performance, interior space and versatility, and unique hydrogen-specific features. For range and performance, Iridium uses large hydrogen fuel tanks to maximize its driving distance, targeting over 650 kilometers between refueling. Aerodynamic wheels and low rolling resistance tires also contribute to efficiency. The fuel cell powertrain has been enhanced to deliver up to 150 kilowatts of electric motor output, enabling smooth acceleration and overtaking. Inside, the concept car offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin with a large living space in the second row, including reclining seatbacks for increased comfort. The wide body and large rear door openings also enhance entry and exit for rear passengers.